1 minute short on how I spent my Thanksgiving weekend. I'm at my sister's place still, and that's what these pictures are about. This is the back of my sister's pool house, and these giant solar trackers are tracking the sun. I don't know if you could put these in your own personal home because they're really big, as you can tell, because this pool house is big. But I wanted to share how she tries to live off the land as much as she can. So she's got one here, and this one up here on top of the pool house heats the swimming pool. It heats it so well in the summer she has to turn it off because you would probably get burnt in the water if you didn't. She is living off the land.